So, have you been trying to figure out how to read your paycheck? Every single pay period, you get this paycheck. It could be every 2 weeks, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, like me. And you're looking at it and you're trying to figure out, what is this? What does this go to? Why am I paying for FICA? What is that? Well, I'm here to help you navigate that paycheck stub, and I'm going to take you step by step on your paycheck stub so you know exactly what everything on there means and what you are paying for, what's coming out your paycheck, and where it might be going. So keep watching. I'm going to take you to the chalkboard. So let's look at our paychecks and make sure that we're reading them properly so that we are not looking at things incorrectly. So the first thing that you need to make sure is correct is your name and your social security number on your paycheck. And you'll usually find that in the top area. And you can, if this is incorrect, of course, contact your employer. Make sure that they have your information correct. The next thing that's important to look at on your paycheck is your employer's name and address. And that's because you need to have that information when you're doing your taxes at tax time. That information will be important. Next thing you need to see is make sure that the pay period that they are recording or giving you a paycheck stub for is correct. And if it's not, of course, you would contact your employer to make sure that they got that information right, or ask them what happened to the paycheck that you are referring to. Your next thing you need to look at is your pay, how much they said they were going to pay you per hour, and then also the hours that you worked for that time frame. So if they said they were going to pay you $25 an hour and you worked 80 hours, then you know that you should have gotten $2,000 in gross pay for that time frame. And then the next important information is the deductions area. And that's where you're going to see your tax deductions for your federal taxes for the IRS, your state taxes, and for this perform thing, there is a California state. So not all states have taxes, but the ones that do, you need to make sure that you have that information on the paycheck stub. Make sure that they're taking taxes out, because I have had a few clients where they did not take the taxes out, and then at the tax time there was an issue. So you need to check your paycheck stubs, make sure that they're making the correct deductions. They're taking out health insurance in this one, SDI, which is the Social Security, the state disability, and then the Social Security is getting taken out. And so you need to make sure that all of that is the correct amount. And lastly, I just wanted to go over what is important. So your gross pay versus your net pay. Those are the amounts that you earned before any deductions, which that's the gross pay. So that's your hourly wages times your hours worked. And that's basically your salary. You need to make sure that they are reporting that correctly. Also, the net pay is whatever your gross pay is minus all of your deductions. So everything that we showed that was a deduction on that previous slide, that's going to be subtracted from your gross pay, and that's going to give you your net pay. Then you need to make sure when you're looking at your paycheck stubs that your taxes being withheld are correct. So, like I stated, the federal taxes, state taxes, if you live in a state that has state taxes, the Social Security and Medicare, which will also say FICA, and then you need to make sure that your deductions are correct and that they align with your W 4 withholdings, that whatever you put on the W 4, that's what they're taking out. Nothing more, nothing less. And there are other types of deductions like health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, retirement, flexible spending accounts, etc. So you just need to make sure that they are taking out the correct amount for those amounts and confirm that the only deductions that are taking out are the ones that you authorize. Nothing else is being taken out of your paycheck.
Hey, have you had a chance to join the family yet? If not, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the family today. And also turn on those notifications so that you can know exactly when we're going to post here on the Financial Spotlight channel. All those juicy financial tips and tricks for you. We'd love to have you. So I hope this basic overview of your paycheck stub has helped you. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and put them down in the comment section. I will respond. Make sure that you share this with any friends and family that might need this same information. And thanks for joining me today at the Financial Spotlight. Have a good one. Bye.